Hi everybody. I just came out to my backyard. I haven't been out here for a while. I've been visiting my mom, and my favorite tree looks like it's dead. But I deep watered it, and it seems that I have some greenery now on the base. So one of the ways that I am going to recover this tree is in a little bit, probably next week or so, I will be rubbing off these lower branch nodes, and then I'm going to take one of these upper branches that is just coming out, and I will tie it to the trunk of the tree so that it makes a new lead line, and I will cut off the top of the ash tree. So hopefully I can save my ash and have a beautiful tree once again. I have been disappointed with the temperatures this summer. 113 and it's October. It's crazy. Have a beautiful day. Take care. Tell me what else you think. Bye.